Hello everyone, Queen Mia here. Welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan mga kapatid? Hope you're coping with all the horrible things going on that affect all of us right now. Anyway, today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade hand sanitizer. Cause like you, I'm running out of store-bought hand sanitizer as well. It's very hard to find any of them nowadays, although I've seen some at pharmacies, but still limited. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's prepare a funnel to make pouring easier and a container. You can even reuse an empty container such as this one. I've got mine at Daiso the other day. It's $5.80 for all these cute containers. One, two, three, four. Very nice and cute, plus these two other ones with a scoop. Alright, the two effective ingredients to kill the virus outright are a combination of rubbing alcohol and an aloe vera gel. I also have another type, 100% aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, sometimes described as a wonder plant due to its many recognized health benefits. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Okay, I'm gonna mix 30 ml of aloe vera gel. I've already put 15 ml in here, so I'm just gonna add 15 ml, another 15 ml right there, and then rubbing alcohol, the same amount of rubbing alcohol, 15 ml. Oops. Another 15 ml. Let's add a little bit more. Okay. There you go. And then we're just gonna mix it up. Whoop. Actually, I have a very cute hand mixer here, which is very useful at the moment. Okay, let's mix. It smells good. Really good. I feel like I'm making dalgona coffee. It looks exactly the same as those ones that you can buy at pharmacies and drugstore and, at the groceries. Ta-da! Here's the finished product of my hand sanitizer that will clean your hands thoroughly. It looks really good. I'm sure you'll agree. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.